Hey guys, Amy with mycouponingbuddy.com here. I'm going to go over some of the deals that I did with my husband in tow today. We went to a bunch of Publixes. We hit several stores, as you can see, because the Airwick coupon is limit 2 per transaction. So, how I solve that problem is I go to different stores and some people will split up the transaction. I don't like to do that. I did, my husband did a transaction and then I was behind him and did a transaction as well at each store. But I started about 1 o'clock today, ended at about 8 o'clock tonight. So I've hit several Publixes. Also, the sundown is limit 1 on the $4 coupon. So I was hoping that I had one of the peelies, not a peelie, it's a hang tag that I found on the product that I can show you to use, or there's a $1 printable. All right, I'll go over each deal, and that way it won't be confusing for you. All right, so the first deal is Airwick, and I don't have the Publix coupons for most of these deals because I found them in store. But what you need for Airwick, and I did a video on this in store, so if you want to go back to a couple videos, what you need is you buy 3 of the 3-count Airwick. The best way to do it is to buy 2 of the 3-count Airwick. I had 3 on the brain. And then the best way to buy it is buy 2 of the single ones. A lot of the stores that I visited were out of the single ones because there's this free coupon out for them now. So some people are just buying the single ones and using the free coupon, and it's free. So I went up to the double where I'm paying a little bit more out of pocket. The double is like $2.79 or maybe $2.49. Whereas this one is $1.59. However, the coupon is only good up to $1.50, so you're only getting a $1.50 credit even if you buy the double one, which is $2.79. So you're paying a little more out of pocket. So the best way to do the deal is to buy 2 of the 3-count oils, then buy 2 of the 1-count warmers, use 2 of the free warmer coupons, and use 2 of the 125 off 1 Airwick coupons. Then additionally, in your heritage book, hang on, let me put this down and see if I can come up with it. Alright, sorry. I don't have any of the Airwick coupons left, but this is what the book looks like. It's also printable online at getthesavings.com /. Here's the family celebrations. So it's also printable on that website as well. Alright, so as you can see, I went to, a lot of people are wondering if they'll have a problem with this deal, because you're using 2 Get the Warmer free coupons. I went to a good 15 stores today, and we did 2 transactions. One store out of all 15 stores that I went to questioned stacking the Publix coupon with the free warmer manufacturer coupon. Where did I drop my coupon? All right, I'll find it when I put all this stuff away, which is not going to be tonight. Okay, so the Publix coupon is for a free warmer and the manufacturer coupon is for a free warmer. So you're just getting the additional credit, which is going to go towards your the amount you owe for the oils. I know it's kind of confusing, but you can always stack a Publix coupon with a manufacturer coupon all day, every day, even if the item is for a free item. Publix had a problem a while back where we were getting an item free and then using a free coupon on the item that was already free, like in a BOGO sale. But that's different than when you have a coupon and you're stacking it. So you're good there. Should not have a problem at the register. If so, the one girl, I'm bringing over a chair, I'm tired. All this shopping. Okay. One cashier questioned it. She called over the manager, and the manager said, no, you can always stack a Publix coupon with a manufacturer coupon. So he was cool. I did have one store that was really, really jerky to me about the Paracel coupon and the Paracel coupon and the Nylabone coupon, and I had to call corporate, which kind of set me in a crappy mood for the rest of the day. But anyway, and I'll go over that when I get to it, what the problem was with there and what happened and what I said. Okay, sugar. No deal on sugar. My husband is just doing cotton candy for some kids for a carnival, and we needed sugar, and my husband is really, really funny when he'll do a transaction. He doesn't like the manager to be called over. And at Publix, if you have more coupons than product, the cashier has to put in she has to call a manager over to get numbers. It happens every time if you have more coupons than you have product. So my husband added sugar to his transactions so he wouldn't have to call over a manager, even though he was in front of me and waiting on me to get the manager called over. That's his thing, so whatever. We needed the sugar anyway. All right. Persil. Persil is, let's start with the liquid. The liquid is $6.99. There is a $2 off coupon in your purple flyer, and then there is an insert coupon, which I don't have any more of. Combined, it comes out to be, the liquid comes out to be, I think, like 99 cents maybe. It's cheap. I can't remember exactly because I don't have the insert coupon in front of me. There's also a $5 printable coupon, which is good on just the discs, but this doesn't cover the smaller discs. It only covers the larger discs. So if you buy the disc, I just used the internet printable coupon for $5 off, and I'll put the link below to this coupon. For the printable, these come to 49 cents after coupons. The Nylabone, pretty sure everybody knows the Nylabone deal. If you join the Nylabone club, they send you a $5 off coupon. These are like $3.99 or these are $3.79, and then there's another one that I grabbed when they're out of those that's like this one. It's like $4.29. So either one is a moneymaker. Adds money into your total transaction. The Snuggle was on clearance. Here's the price. It was on clearance for $3.50. This is normally $7, so I thought that was a great deal. There's a $2 off coupon in your purple flyer. So it comes to $1.50. The $2 off coupon in your purple flyer is limit one per transaction. So if I found them at the store, I grabbed one. Okay, Godiva chocolates, my favorite deal. As you can see, some of mine melted. I have to put them in the fridge. They are $1.09 regular price. There's a $1 off printable, which I used, which made these 9 cents a piece. Yum for chocolate. These are found, by the way, I had a lot of people asking me where they're found. They're found by the registers, but not with the the candy like when you're standing in line. It's on like the back where the razors are. That's where those are found in the store, and only like 2 registers have them. Okay, Suave body wash. It is on sale for $1.50 in the purple flyer, so you have some time to do this deal. I was just picking it up because I was at the store today. You can get any of them. The men's is included, the women's, and we found this nifty Shea Better one that I'm interested in trying. There is a 75% off coupon. I'll put the link to the coupon database below so you can look these up, what insert they're in, because I don't remember. I order my coupons clipped, and I don't know what insert they came in. There's a 75% off coupon, and then in your purple flyer found in the front of the store, there's a $1 off 2 coupon, so it makes these 25 cents a pop. Some people got a $1 off 2 Suave Body Wash coupon, I think, in their newspapers, so it'd make them 50 cents a piece. Dove was on clearance for $3.49. And there were 75% off Peelies on it, which were the manufacturer coupon. And then in the purple flyer, there's a $2 off 2 coupon. So they came to $1.75 a piece. And then Sundown. Sundown has a coupon out now for $4 off one Sundown priced at $4 or more. And the coupon is limit 1 per transaction. And then, so for my first bottle, I bought one that was over over $4. And then my second bottle, I bought one that was like $3.59, I think. And there were $1 hang tags on most of them in my stores. So I'm buying 2. Using one of this coupon, which is limit 1, and then using one of the $1 hang tag, or there's a $1 printable, which is what I started with until I found hang tags. And then there's a purple flyer coupon for $5 off 2. So basically you have $10 in coupons, so as long as you buy less than $10 in products, it's a moneymaker. Johnson & Johnson's first aid kits, regular price $149. These are pretty sparse to find because everybody's picking them up. There's a $3 off 2 coupon in your Publix purple flyer, so it makes these free. I felt like that wasn't what they meant to use the product on, like 2 purple flyers ago, and I've seen multiple people use the coupon on that product and they haven't corrected it or excluded it, so I'm like, what the heck, I'm gonna pick up 2. Sparkling ice 12-pack, not on sale. I just drink it like a fish. It's my water, and there were $1 Peelies on it, so I picked it up. Blue Wilderness cat treats on sale, 2 for $2.39. No, $2.49, I think. No, $2.39. 2 for $2.39 in the purple flyer. We have a $1 off 1 coupon. Buy 2, use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupon, and pay just 20 cents a piece. And then the Coke is what my husband picked up. Again, so that's it. That's my 7 hours of shopping at Publix today. I got quite a bit, but those are the breakdowns for it. My husband needed the oil. That's also included, like it wasn't on sale or anything. I wish he would have told me that last week when Wesson was a great deal. But anyway, he bought it. So that's it. That's my shopping excursion for the day. If you guys have any questions, I will put the links to most of these deals below this video so you can find them. If I've posted it, I'll put the link to it below. If it's a clearance deal, I'm obviously not going to have it posted on my website. And the links to the coupons will be in the links to those deals below. Just hit the little see more button, which is down below this video. If you're watching it on YouTube, if you're watching it on Facebook, then you're going to have to click into the YouTube video and go down below it to see it. I don't know how it shows up on Facebook. I'm not that tech savvy yet. But if you have any questions, post them below. I'm happy to help. I'll post a link to a deal or a coupon for you. If you can't find it, just let me know. Happy couponing, guys.